Alright guys, so we're gonna be unboxing now this dude. So here's the box. So before I forget, I'll show you guys the box. A lot of you told me to show the box before I take anything out because you guys want to see what info you guys get. All the info's back here though, so that's all we can see. Alright, so as for the info, let's just slide it out for now. And there we go. So same deal, we get a case. Don't see a way to slide this out, so I'm guessing I'm gonna have to break this open. I know a lot of you don't like to do that. Sometimes we have to. So here we go. It's the case. So before I open this baby up, let's just see what's in the box. Manual and cables. So there's our strap, which some of you may be using, others not really. I actually don't see a lot of use in this. USB cable, obviously everybody's gonna need that. So that's the USB cable that we need for this gimbal. So we just put this back, so it doesn't really matter that much. That's all we get in there. What's inside the case is the cool thing. So looks almost like a guitar case, so kind of cool. And there we go, our gimbal. Huh, this one feels pretty good right away. It feels everything metal versus the other two that I handled, they were plastic. So kind of like the feeling from this one. Here's an up close shot. How it looks like. So I know this is hard to see, but yeah, you guys can do the tripod thing there, so don't worry about it. As for the gimbal itself, don't worry, I will be doing a setup video, so you guys will be able to see that. You guys will be able to see the review as well, and see which gimbal is actually worth it. Okay. So that's it for this unboxing. I know it's a really quick unboxing, but there's not much to show. I mean, this is the gimbal. That's what you get. I can only show you some things up close, right? Because there's like these buttons. It's nothing really else to show you. But I mean, as far as this one versus the other two that I just did the unboxing for, so this guy, all right, or the other Osmo one. Where is it? It's back here. All right. They just feel different. Like these guys are plastic. They don't feel as well as this one, but price difference is there. So maybe that's why, right? Anyways, that's it for this unboxing. Next, I'm gonna do an installation video. So just look at my channel if you guys want to see that. If you guys want to see a review and seeing these three versus each other, then feel free to go into my channel and check that out. So again, just in case you guys missed it, that three that I unboxed was this guy, and this guy. Okay, so those are the three that I unboxed. So keep in mind that they are different. These two are the same brands. However, the other's an Osmo one, so it is different. Okay, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here below in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.